Hi, my sister beauties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm showing you some bundles, okay? From these, I think the bundles are, they are very soft, very, I found no shedding with these units. And also in this video, I'm gonna show you this unit that I did review from them 11 months ago, you guys. So this is the unit. If you look, I insert a picture. I'm just gonna insert a picture of this unit. So yeah, so this unit that I'm wearing right here is their 360 unit. I'm just showing you how good their hair is. They've been rocking with your girl since day one, okay? They are my day ones, honey. So yes, this unit holds up very well. So as you see, the curls do drop whenever you wash them, condition. This is no product on the hair. I just washed it and you know, wash and condition, everything like that, and just put some baby hairs in the front, and the parting still looks good. Still no shedding with this unit. This company is very, very good. I'll link them down below in the description bar, you guys. And yes, you have to order from them. Any units, any bundles, any closures, they got you covered. And it's great quality hair, no issue. So this is a 11-month-old unit that I'm wearing, and it's perfect. Okay, you guys? So anyways, I hope you enjoy today's video, and if you stay till the end, I have a little surprise for you. Hi, my Simply Beauties, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Jessica. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Alright, you guys, let's get into this video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you these bundles and also a unit from this company that I worked with years ago. They are my day one company. I really enjoy working with this brand. And also you can save on your purchase by using Jessica R20. All right, so basically they sent me a 14-inch, a 16-inch, and an 18-inch, and a 20-inch bundles, and all of the bundles were very secure in the pack. I love how they put the netting on there to make sure the hair ain't going everywhere. And also these bundles did not shed, did not have no smell to it, anything like that. And I really do like these bundles. Now, so with this hair here, you notice my favorite texture hair. I believe this might be the 16-inch or the 14-inch, I believe, but this is my favorite texture hair. I love me a good water wave unit. It's very effortless to keep up with this unit. I will show you towards the end, because I do have a unit from them before. It was their 360 water wave, and I had reviewed that 11 months ago, so almost a year ago basically. And that unit kept so well. You will see it in the video. So yeah, and also received another unit from them. It's a 360 unit, and it hold up very well. Also, I really love their hair quality. It's very good. So with them, without a doubt, I highly recommend this brand, and their hair is amazing how it holds up so well. So this is the 20-inch right here. Only reason why I didn't unwrap everything, you already know what a bundle looks like. So yeah. But yeah, like I said, I'll link this below in the description bar too. And make sure you use my code Jessica R20 so you can save on your purchase. Okay. All right. So with these bundles, you know, you can do a sewing, you can make your own wig and all of that good stuff. So yeah, so this is everything right here. And also with the bundles, you can also, you know, color them to whatever shade you want, and it will be no, you know, no shedding or anything like that. All right, my super beauties, and this is the unit I was telling you about. So this is not those bundles. This is the unit I was telling you about. Okay, so don't be confused of what I showed you in the beginning of the video. Okay, so this is the 360 unit that I had for 11 months. So you might as well say a year. So basically this is that unit that I showed you. I did review. So you remember the curls was more tighter, more shorter than that. So whenever you do wash your curly unit, that's how the curls will fall. So it won't be as tight when you first receive it. So that's why it looks like that. So like I'm showing you right now, these are the bundles. These two are not the same, okay? I repeat, these two are not the same, so don't get confused. But I will link the 360 down below too if you're interested in it. And I love that unit. That's my favorite unit. Comments and videos, if you made it towards the end of the video, that's when I know you are a real one. Guess what? It's a giveaway. So your girl is giving away a unit. It is a 99J bang unit. It's like the one I reviewed, but a little bit darker. Let me know if you want me to open it, everything. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, a little color on it. It looks like, well, I'm gonna stick my hand all in it. I never ever reviewed this wig before, but similar to 3 wigs that I did review before. So basically it's a bang unit and it's very soft. It is synthetic, and you get this with a stocking cap in there. You will receive some lashes, like some mink lashes. You'll receive some mink lashes, and you receive these here in the giveaway. These lashes, this one, and this right here for your nails, and also a facial mask. And I'm gonna add a palette in there. I have to go to the store and get it, but I will add a palette in there. But this giveaway is gonna last all the way up to the end of this month. So make sure, if you are watching this, go on my Instagram page. I'll link that down below too. Under this, I'm gonna hold these bundles. Make sure you put the lip emoji, like the kissy emoji. Make sure you put that below so I know you've seen this video through towards the end, okay? So make sure you do that. So basically, you know you guys subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and put the kiss emoji below so I know you watched towards, all the way towards the end of this video. Excuse the noise in the background with my baby. But yeah, so yeah, it's a giveaway. Finally, I have like 2 more giveaways I gotta do before this year is out. So make sure you're watching all the way towards the end of my video, and I will be picking the winner towards the end of this month. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video, you guys. Bye.